Hey guys, welcome to Mob Computers. In this episode of the Mob Computers, we are going to talk about the leaks and rumors of the Oppo F7. First of all guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. Starting off with the design. This phone has a Gorilla Glass with 6.1 inches display, which is also known as full vision display by the Oppo. Yeah guys, this phone has a notch like the iPhone 10 and Huawei P10 etc. with the camera and other sensor on its notch. Yeah. The display has 441 pixel density and the resolution of this display is 1080p, means 1080 pixel, also known as full HD display. Yeah, the screen is covered with a glass known as Gorilla Glass, which is very good against drops. Yeah guys, this phone has a dual SIM support with micro SSD expansion, which is a plus point. Comes with a 60 octa-core chips. Yeah guys, gameplay on this phone is awesome. You can play GTA San Andreas and Asphalt 8 on 8 with full graphics. Yeah, this phones come in two storage options, 64GB option and 128GB option. The 64GB options come with 4GB RAM and the 64GB options come with 4GB RAM and 120GB options come with 6GB of RAM. Yeah, which is quite nice. Even iPhone 10 can't give you that much RAM. Yeah guys, this phone take awesome selfies. They give a big focus on the selfie according to the Oppo. This is the first phone with 25 megapixel selfie camera or front facing camera, what you call. Yeah, according to Oppo, this phone will take awesome picture and this is the first phone which comes with a 25 megapixel. Even my iPhone has 1 megapixel on its camera, on its front facing camera. Yeah guys, according to them, it has HDR technology in its sensor, which is a new invention like Apple. It has a portrait mode. Primary camera pushes 16 megapixel with face detection and autofocus. This phone also has a non-renewable 3400 mAh battery like the new flagships model. The battery is non-renewable, means you cannot take out the battery. Yeah guys, we have covered all half the thing. Now main part come. This phone has TFT display panel, not OLED technology. It means you cannot hide the notch like in Huawei P20 Pro. It means that the difference between a LCD display and OLED display is the LCD display, the display needs backlight, but in OLED technology every display means the display do not need any backlight. Display means every pixel has its own light. Yeah, these phones come around $500 and 60,000 Pakistani rupees, and which is equal to 26,000 Indian rupees. Mean it is a reasonable price for mid-range phone. As you can see, it is also a mid-range phone. If you want a phone for the normal function like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, but you also want to take good selfies, then this phone is for you guys. Yeah guys, if you find this video helpful, give a like to this video and